What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to drop a pin in Google Map or mark any location in one quick method. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Google Maps. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account of your maps, and there all you need to do is to zoom in a specific place and then just keep tapped. Then there goes a pin for that specific location, and all you can do is now create a direction for it, call there and save the location and share the location too and the pin too. Yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.